Shams & Sons is the go-to for IT and CCTV solutions. Let's dive into why. In today's fast-paced business world, keeping your operations secure and efficient is a top priority. That's where Shams & Sons comes in. With over 2 decades of experience, we specialize in providing reliable and cutting-edge IT and CCTV solutions tailored to your unique needs. From network setup to surveillance systems, we've got the expertise to keep your business running smoothly and securely. Our team of certified professionals is dedicated to delivering top-tier service, ensuring that your systems are always up to date and running at peak performance. Plus, we offer 24/7 support because we know that when it comes to your business, downtime is not an option. But don't just take our word for it. Our clients rave about our commitment to excellence and our ability to solve problems before they even arise. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, we have the solutions to fit your budget and your needs. So why wait? Reach out to Shams & Sons today and discover how we can help secure and streamline your business operations. Trust us, you're in good hands. Shams & Sons, your partner in IT and CCTV solutions. Let's build a safer, more efficient future together.